This is the first step that you can use in order for you to turn your life around. Going into hypnosis, another form of meditation, is using your imagination. And y'all do it, and you do it very well. Like if I ask you to recall the last time somebody pissed you off, your whole body will start contorting. You'll get like things in your face. You might get really animated. And then she said this, and I should have said this, and blah, blah, blah. And then you start ad-libbing. and then it's like some fantastic thing that happened. But then if I ask you immediately, okay, now tell me like the last time you had a belly laugh that made you cry. Instantly, because your perception now changed, right? Where's your focus going? Now your focus has changed and you start remembering that time, and then your whole body starts to light up. And it starts to light up because we're wired for love and for success. And so this is just proof that you've already been doing it. We don't do anything before we think about it.